Namaste students. In the previous class we have discussed different concepts that can be applied in trigonometry. Simply we have discussed the definitions of trigonometric ratios like sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, cosecant theta, secant theta, and their reciprocals as well as identities. So now here we have one important problem from exercise uh, 11.4. Very important question. This can may be asked for 4 marks. First of all, let us see which concepts can be applied here. Here sin theta is the sin A is there, cos A is there. They both are reciprocals to each other. Cos A and secant A, they too are reciprocal to each other. Now let us see here. Sin theta into cosecant theta is equal to 1. Cos theta into secant theta is equal to 1. Next to cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. This implies cosecant square theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Similarly, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Secant square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta. These are the important concepts that we apply in proving this question. Now let us take LHS here. In LHS, what is the expression? And here sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square. I took just LHS. With the help of LHS, let us come to RHS. Here we use one more algebraic identity. A plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, or a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. You can use it in any way. Now let us expand this using the identities which we have discussed there. It is in the form of a plus b whole square. We can expand this sin square A plus cosecant square A plus 2 into sin A into cosecant A. Now take this part, cos square A plus secant square A plus 2 into cos A into secant A. Now let us group some identities now. Sin square A plus cos square A. I have brought this and made a group. Now cosecant square A, you can write cosecant square theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta. So now here angle is A, therefore 1 plus cot square A. Here 2 into sin A into cosecant A, we have 1, therefore into 1 plus cos square A has already been written here. Now secant square A can be written as 1 plus tan square A plus 2 into 1. Now here sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. We have that identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. One more identity here. 1 plus cot square A plus 2 into 1 plus tan square A plus 2 into 1 is 2. Now simplify, add all constants. 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5 plus 2 7. 7 plus cot square A plus tan square A. So we got this is equal to RHS. Therefore we write finally LHS is equal to RHS, or else you can write this equation as it is. So dear students, I think you all have understood this. Students, this is also one of the important problem which may be asked for 4 marks. Here also we apply trigonometric ratios. It is here cosecant theta plus cot theta equal to k. They gave this. Using this equation we have to get the cos theta value of cos theta as k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. Before solving this, let us take some. Cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sine theta. It is a reciprocal. Cosecant and sine are reciprocals to each other. Similarly, cot theta is equal to cos theta by sine theta. We use these two equations here in the place of given expression. Now, cosecant theta plus cot theta equal to k. This is given. Now here cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sine theta, you can write it, plus cot theta is equal to cos theta by sine theta equal to k. From this we have written it. Now you find LCM for these two. LCM is sine theta. So to get first term here in the numerator form. Now LCM is here sine theta. To get first term here, LCM into first quantity, you will get sine theta will be cancelled, you will get 1. Here sine will be cancelled, you will get cos theta equal to k. Here if you observe, cos theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. Here we have only k. So to get the required value of the required, we have to square on both sides. 1 plus cos theta by sine theta whole square is equal to k square. You can write here squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Now here separate the squares. 1 plus cos theta whole square by sine square theta equal to k square. Here from the first identity, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sine square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. We can apply that here because here cosecant theta, cot theta should be converted into cos theta. They must be expressed in terms of cos. That's why finally we get here 1 plus cos theta whole square equal to 1 minus cos square theta equal to k. And from this we have replaced sine square theta by 1 minus cos square theta. Now 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. This is 1 plus cos theta whole square means a square means a into a. Similarly we write this expression. Now this is in the form of a square minus b square, like a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. We know this concept. Now here you apply 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta equal to k. This is in the form of a square minus b square. We expanded this a plus b into a minus. These two will be cancelled. What remains? 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta equal to k. Now you make cross multiplication. 1 plus cos theta is equal to k into bracket of 1 minus cos theta. Expand this. 1 plus cos theta is equal to k into k minus k square here. Here also we have to write square. K square minus k square into cos theta. Now here transpose like terms to one side. 1 plus cos theta plus k square into cos theta equal to k square. Here send 1 also to that side. Cos theta into here 1 remains, here k square remains. Send this 1 to RHS, it will be minus 1. Therefore finally cos theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1, which is to be the result we want. So like this we can prove it in one way. This problem can be proved it in different ways. So dear students, you can go through it. I think you all have understood.